Take approx 7 cm of wire. Straighten the wire so the wire has two ends. The smooth surface will always faces the cheek area, while the sharp cutting edge faces the tooth side. Do not do this when the bridge of the clasp will touches the tooth and causes the tooth to move. First turn with the Adams plier. Mark the cusp area for the second turn. Make both arrowheads with round plier. The wire with the plier tip as near to first turn as possible. See, bridge shouldn't touch with tooth buccal surface, otherwise it causes tooth to move. If the wire you turn too extra, then correct it with a straight plier.